Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Raw, Rise and Wise, and today we'll see a new topic on Excel, which is XLOOKUP. So what is XLOOKUP? XLOOKUP is a Microsoft Excel function that allows you to perform a lookup and return corresponding value in a range of cells. Now theoretically when I say this, it is very difficult to understand, so that's why I have given an example in the above screen. Which are the name of the students and their marks given and the results. Now using XLOOKUP function, I want to find out the result of the particular student. When I type the name of the student in the search box, automatically I'll get the result, whether he is first class or passed or failed or merit or distinction, whatever it is. So using XLOOKUP function, I'll find the result of this particular student. So going to the XLOOKUP, XLOOKUP function has only 3 arguments. Mainly it has 3 arguments, and above that there is one particular argument which is not required, but you can give it if required. So we'll start with the XLOOKUP function is equals to XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP, the first comes is lookup value. So what is the lookup value? Here the lookup value is the name of the student, so in which I'll write the name in the search box. So with the help of lookup value, I can find the return array. So this is the lookup value. Here the lookup value is the name of the student, and the result is the return array. You can see in the diagram, you can see here the return array. The return array is the result. So lookup value, I'll click as this the search box, in which I'll write the name of the student. Next is lookup array. Lookup array is nothing but the range of cells. The range of cells here is all the name of the students in this particular table. So the lookup array, I'll choose this range of the cells, this one. Okay. After that, next is the return array. As I said, return array is the result. So result, I will also select the range of the cells which are comes under the return array. After that, after completing the 3 arguments, next one I told you, if the name given in the search box, if it is not found in the particular table, then there should be another criteria or another name that it should be executed. So I'll write it as not found. Okay, write it in capital. Parenthesis close. So yes, in the search box you can see here I have not written anything, so the result comes as not found. So first I'll try with the name Rakesh Khanna. Okay, Rakesh Khanna. Here we go. We get the result as first class. As I told you, XLOOKUP will help you with the return array as the result when you type the lookup value, which is the name of the student. Similarly, we can tie with another example, Adil Khan. Adil Khan is also first class. Another example you can also try with Vaid Bhatt. Vaid Bhatt is merit. So here we have got the desired result using XLOOKUP function. Similarly, we can take another example. We're using this XLOOKUP function, which in day-to-day life we use it. Nowadays we find a lot of people they invest in stock markets. So when you take into stock market, there are nearly 4,600 odd shares. So let me take you to the screener. See, there are nearly 4,691 shares. Now while choosing a share, you will go through some fundamentals like closing price. Obviously you will go through the closing price, what is the current price of it, then the 5-year CAGR, ROCE, ROE, which is a return on equity and return on capital employed, then the debt of the company, and obviously the net income, which is the very most important fundamental of a company. So before going through this example, I would say that this is just an example and it is not any suggestion or advice to purchase the share. It is just an example for the so that you can prepare your own tool in your company or in your organization, maybe regarding any data. But I thought this would be a very good example. So going through the search box, using the same formula, XLOOKUP formula, here I will get the multiple results, but I will type XLOOKUP formula in every box. Like here it's the closing price, then 5 CAGR, ROCE, ROE, debt to equity and net income. So using that particular data which is shown in share screen and using this XLOOKUP function, I'll find out the desired result. So here is equals to XLOOKUP. Here comes the XLOOKUP value. I'll choose the search box. See, in the previous example I had chose the name of the student, so here it will be the search box over here, in which I'll write the name of the share or the ticker name, which is in a short form. So I've chosen the search box. Next comes the comma. Going to the share screen, I'll choose the ticker names. Either you can choose the full names of the company or the ticker names which is in short form. So I'll prefer ticker names. Okay, the comma. Next comes the closing price. As we have chose the closing price of the share, we'll choose the return array, the closing price. Next we'll choose as if not found, we'll state it as not found. Okay, not found, closing parenthesis. Yeah, here we see it as not found. As we have not given anything, the concerned data will come as not found. So similarly, now I'll write the name of the share, for example HDFC Bank. See, we have got the closing price here. So when I've typed HDFC Bank, I've got the closing price. Similarly, I will try it for all the other fundamentals, which is 5 CAGR, ROCE, ROE, and from here onwards I will fast forward because it is going to be the same formulas. Okay. The entire result of a particular script, which is HDFC Bank. Now I will try with other banks or any other shares. For example, Reliance. Yeah, you can see we have got the desired result using XLOOKUP. So for more such videos and other functions, please share, subscribe to my channel Raw, Rise and Wise. Thank you.